In this video, I'll show you how to get a coupon code for the Ullu app. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. All right, I'm going to open up any web browser on my device. I'm going to head on over to Google and then I'm going to type in Ullu app coupon codes. And then from here, I'm going to click on search. And now you can see in the Google search results, you got all these third-party sites like We Thrift It, Cashly, Worth the Penny, etc., etc. So any of these third-party sites will work. So just click into anyone you'd like. But for this one here, I like to use WeThriftit.com up to 60% off. So if I scroll down and have a look at these coupon codes, you got here 60% off. The best Ullu coupon code is Monsoon50. So if you want to copy this code, click on copy. And then you can even show the history of this code. So you can see it was last used 2 hours ago with a total of about 43,000 total uses. And Ullu coupon code was reported working by shoppers 2 hours ago. So it gives you some good stats about these codes as well. So once you copy this code, paste this code at the checkout section of the Ullu app to activate your 60% off.